So we've been looking at the voter fairness or voting fairness criterion. And we want to look at another preference table here. So let's look at the following preference table below, where you have a number of ballots of a certain type. 8 cast their ballots for AGH in that order for second, third place. And 6 cast their ballots for HGA in that order, and 6 more cast their ballots for GAH in that order. So let's use the plurality method. Plurality method to determine the winner. Remember, that's the one where you just find who has the highest percentage. Doesn't have to be a majority. Looks like we have a total of, let's see, 14? No. 8 plus 6 plus 6, that's 14 plus 6 is 20. So our bottom number is going to be 20. So for A, we got, let's see, 8 votes. For G, we got 6 votes. For H, we got 6 votes. So 8 out of 20 is going to be 40%. 6 out of 20 is going to be exactly 30%. And 6 out of 20 is going to be exactly 30%. So whoever has the most wins, you can see A wins using the plurality method. Now we want to construct a new voting preference table where we completely remove H. So imagine taking H and scratching H out. So we'll have AG, GA, and we'll have GA. So the percent for A, so use now plurality. Use the plurality method now when one candidate has been removed from the ballot. So you just have a first and a second place. So we still have a total of 20 votes. And for A, we just have 8. And for G, we're going to have 6 and 6, which is going to be 12. So for A, we're going to have 40%. And for G, we're going to have, let's see, 60%. So this time G wins. So A won using the plurality method when there were 3 different candidates. But then we decided to cross out an irrelevant candidate, right? An irrelevant candidate. H was a non-winner. H was a loser. It only got 30%. And when you take him away, H away, then someone else wins. So the question is, so G won. Which fairness criterion is violated? Which one is violated? It would be this one right here, independence of irrelevant alternatives criterion. If candidate X wins an election, then some non-winners are removed from the ballot and a recount is done, then candidate X should still win the election. But this did not happen, right? We had initially A won, then we had some irrelevant candidate, some non-winner removed, but A did not win. A should have probably won, right? So since A did not win the retabulation, then we are violating the independence of irrelevant candidates criterion.